Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Pratiksha Agarwal and today we will be studying a new topic which is seating arrangement, and I will be teaching you some important tips and tricks to solve this topic in a minimum time. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's quickly start the video. So students, this is the reference question. First we'll extract the information from this reference question and then we'll answer the question. So let's see what is given in this. 10 persons, that is A, B, C, D, E, P, Q, R, S and T, are sitting in a single row and all are facing to the north direction but not necessarily in the same order. So students, you have to pay attention that here they all are facing north direction. Now since they are facing north direction, so this will be your left side, okay, and this will be the right side. I hope this much is clear to everyone. Now let's see what is given next. It is given that A sits fourth from the extreme end. Now students, they are sitting in a single row, so there will be two extreme ends, the left extreme end and the right extreme end. So there will be two cases, case number 1 and case number 2. So, since A sits fourth from the extreme end, so in case number 1, if A sits fourth from the left extreme end, means A will be placed here at this position. And in case number 2, let's consider that A sits fourth from the right extreme end. So, A will be seated here at this position. Next, three persons sit between A and B. In case number 1, see, three persons should be there between A and B, so we cannot place B to the left of A, so we will place A to the right of, so we will place B to the right of A. So B will be placed here at this position and this position, case number A. And in case number case number 2, we cannot place B to the right of A, so we'll place B to the left of A, and B will be placed here at this position, case number 2. Okay. Now C sits immediate right of B. In case number 1, immediate right of B is this position, so we'll place C here. And in case number 2, immediate right of B is this position, so we'll place C here. Two persons sit between C and D. Now, first we consider case number 1. Two persons sit between C and D. So, we cannot place D to the right of C. So, we will place D to the left of C. So, D will be placed here at this position in case number 1. And in case number 2, we cannot place D to the right of C because between C and D there are two people, and here you can say see that already A has occupied that position. Okay, so we will place D to the left of C in case number 2. So D will be placed here at this position. Three persons sit between R and C. So first we'll consider case number 1. Between R and C there are three people. So 1, 2 and 3. So R will be placed here between A and D in case number 1. And in case number 2, we will place R to the right of C. So three people are there between R and C. So R will be placed here at this position in case number 2. Now it is given R sits immediate left of P. In case number 1, if R is to the immediate left of P, means this position which is occupied by D, P should be there, but since according to what we have solved it, D is there, so case number 1 is actually wrong. We cannot place P here, so it is wrong. Now let's see case number 2. R is to the immediate left of P, means P should be placed here to the immediate right of R. So we have placed P here. It is E sits to the right of R. To the right of R, you can see that one place is vacant. So we will place E here. Two persons sit between S and T. S sits to the left of T. Now students, we will not consider case number 1. We will just focus on case number 2. See here, between S and T there are two people, and you can see that this position and this position, between these two positions there are two people B and C, and it is given that S is to the left of C, means here after D S will come and after C T will come. Okay, so this is how they are placed. Now one position is left and one person is left, that is Q, so we will place Q here at this vacant place. So case number 2 is our required seating arrangement. So from this reference question, our seating arrangement is clear. Now we will solve the question based on this seating arrangement. So let's see the first question. Who among the following persons sits third to the left of P? So here it is P. The first person to the left of P is R, second is A, and third is Q. So basically the third person to the left of P is Q. So our answer should be option number C. Now let's check it. See, we got the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question. This is the sitting arrangement. How many persons sit between R and T? So first of all, I am going to mark R and T with a red dot so you can see clearly how many persons are there between R and T. Can see clearly that there are only two people between R and T. So our answer is again option number C. Let's check it. We got the correct answer again. Now let's see the next question. This is the question and this is our sitting arrangement. Who among the following persons are sitting at extreme end? Here persons are asked and extreme ends are asked, means the person sitting at the left extreme end and the person sitting at right extreme end. So you can clearly see these two persons. D and E are sitting at the extreme end. So our answer is option number D. Let's check. See, we got the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question. Who among the following persons is second to the right of S? So this is S, B is the first person to the right of S, and C is the second person to the right of S. So we are asked second person to the right of S. That is C, and our answer is also option number C. Let's check. We got the correct answer again. Let's move on to the next question. The number of persons sitting to the left of B is same as the number of persons sitting to right of which of the following person? So students, see here to the left of B there are two people. Okay, and if we move on to the right side of the seating arrangement, it is here you can see R. Now right of R also there are two people. Okay, so our answer should be R, means to the right of R there are two people, as to the left of B there are two people. So our answer is option number B. Let's check it. See, we got the correct answer again. So this is the correct approach to solve these type of sitting arrangement. I hope you like this video. That's all for today. If you have any queries, students, do ask me, do comment me. I'll try to solve it. And if you have any question which you want me to solve for you, please email me your question. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye. Thank you.